Hello guys, in this video I will explain you how to solve this problem, which is the F7-15, and the problem wants us to find the shear and the moment diagram of the beam. And to solve this, we can use a tool called PermaLearn. So first thing first, we need to draw a free body diagram into our tool right here. So we can begin our drawing. If we take a look at the picture right here, you can see that there's one beam. The length is 6 meters, 2 meters each, and there are two supports, which are the pin right here at point A and roller at point B, as well as the two vertical load, 6 kilonewton and 12 kilonewton. So now let's draw the free body diagram. We can import our coordinate first. Put the x at 1 and y also at 1. And import the distance, the horizontal distance. And we can see it's 6 meters. So we can just put 6 and add it. So now it is 6. It's from 1 to 1 right here. So 6 meters in total. Now we can identify and add the support type. So first we have the fixed support. We go to support right here and put at point A. At point A we have a fixed support. Pin right here, and we add it. So now here there's a pin support, just like the picture. Now we move to the second support, which its type is a roller, just like that. A roller support and a pin support. After that, we can put the force. So the first force is under our member, the beam, is 6 meters into vertical. So the force is downward, so it should be -6. And we add it. Oh. Okay. It is downward 6 meters, but it is at point. It should be at point 0.03. And where's the beacon? Well, let me fix it. Distance from beacon joint. It should be 2. Yeah, like that. So now it is at 0.03, which is 2 meters from the point A. Now we can do the same thing, but with another load, which is -12. Yes, -12. Downward is negative, and it's actually 4 meters from the point, from our origin point. So we can just put 4. Sorry, right here. So now if you add it, it should be at point here. So downward 12 kilonewton and downward 6 kilonewton at 0.003 and at 2 meter and 4 meter right here, just like so. So now we can find the solution at the solution section. So they want us to find the shear and moment diagram. So we can just go to shear force to see it, click display, and we can see the shear force of it, just like so. And now we can switch to bending moment, and here's our bending moment. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.